Huli chicken, and I'm gonna do it 3 different ways. But first, we gotta marinate our chicken. 1/3 cup brown sugar. Seems strange, but 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Just trust the process. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm gonna do a couple of tablespoons of rice vinegar just because I love the flavor. Tablespoon sesame oil, maybe, and maybe cat hair. Star of the show, the crunchy garlic crisp seasoning by Pampered Chef. I'm gonna put a big heaping tablespoon in there, and probably a little bit more. About 2 tablespoons or so of pineapple juice, and I will be using these pineapples too. It smells so delicious in here. Oh, I forgot the ginger, the best part. I don't have any ginger or fresh ginger, but I do have this ginger paste that lasts for weeks in the fridge, and it's absolutely delicious. Measure with your heart. I'm just gonna reserve about 1/4 cup or so for drizzling on afterwards. Then just a little cornstarch to thicken it up. Then I'm gonna marinate about 2 pounds of chicken thighs for at least a couple of hours, see in a few hours. Okay, so first up way of cooking is in the microwave. Yep, chicken in the microwave. You wouldn't know it when you use the DCP, the deep covered baker. Again, we're going for internal temperature of 165. The DAFO, the Deluxe air fryer and oven. I'm gonna drizzle on some of that sauce. I've already preheated. Oh, listen to that sizzle. I love getting the grill marks. So this is the deep covered baker. This one is the grill, and this one is the air fryer, and a little sauce to go on top. So I have a little garlic mayo in there, and then that reserved sauce that we saved. Covered baker, little of that drizzle of that sauce right on top. Yes, take a look at chicken coming from the microwave though. Take a look at how juicy. It just tears right apart. I love the beautiful grill marks. Juicy chicken from the grill. Look goodness. Get in there. Each are equally amazing.